All right, let's meal prep. I have a piece of wax paper a little bit bigger than my tortilla here. And you can use any tortilla you like, gluten-free, low-fat, whatever works for you. Now I have the sauce that I made, or any condiment that you want to put on. You want to put that on the bottom first, as much or as little as you like. Spread that on. Now I'm going to take my meat, and I have perfectly portioned out from what I cooked how much I'm going to do so I can make 8 wraps. So that's lots and lots of food prep and portioning for delicious and easy, quick, healthy lunches. Now I'm going to take my salad part of the wrap, which happens to be some red cabbage, some carrots, and some apple. Now I'm just going to take my tortilla from this side, and I'm going to roll it up as tight as possible. Okay, so you just want to shove everything in and start to roll it. When you get to the ends, you want to shove the excess ends in. Okay, we're going to shove those in just like that. And now bring your tortilla back, and you are going to roll it in the wax paper. Nice and tight. Keep it fresh. Keep it from leaking anything, and then you just want to wrap it up on the side, and look at that. Your meal prepped. How quick and easy was that?